So we are on the hunt for the 208 manatees. Who knows, maybe there's 210 or 200.
We've seen 2.
We've seen maybe about a dozen so far.
Yes. 2.
But if you're new to the channel and you like what you see, subscribe at some point in the video, don't forget. And also hit that notification bell. Alright, so how many creatures of the Black Lagoon have we seen today?
None.
So,
we're looking for gators.
look for gators, look for manatees. But
Try not to
creatures
trip.
of the Black Lagoon was almost before my time. I remember seeing it though. Never saw one in real life though. Just Hollywood. Yep.
Clyde, come here. I want to give you love.
Okay, go ahead, Bonnie.
Clyde, come here. I want to give you.
No, it's fine.
Give me loving, all the loving I will take.
As a good female should. Guard the little ones. Oh, look at the little fry down there.
Alright, so we're making a mad dash. There was 2 school buses full of kids arriving, so it's time to leave.
Time to hit the road.
So, thanks for watching. I hope I'm able to zoom in when I edit this and capture the manatees. We saw probably 30 to 40 at least. Some were freshly released from rehab. No. So, if you like what you saw, subscribe, hit that like button, notification bell, comment below if you have any questions about this video or anything else. Anything else to add?
We'll see you next time.